elevation in boiling point. First of all, what is boiling point? Boiling point is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of the liquid is equal to the applied pressure on the liquid. The boiling point at a standard pressure of 1 atmospheric pressure 1 atm is called the normal boiling point. We have pure solvent and solution, and boiling point of pure solvent is denoted by TB naught, and boiling point of solution is denoted by TB. As we know that boiling point of solution, that is TB, is greater than boiling point of pure solvent, TB naught. Now, elevation in boiling point is denoted by delta TB, and delta TB is the difference between boiling point of pure solvent and boiling point of solution, that is TB minus TB naught. Further, delta TB directly proportional to molality of the solution, or delta TB is equals to Kb into molality. What is Kb? Kb is equals to molar elevation constant. Molar elevation constant, and it is also known as evaluoscopic constant. If m is equals to 1, molality of solution is equals to 1, then delta TB is equals to Kb. What is Kb? Kb is the elevation of boiling point of 1 molar solution. 1 molar solution, and m is equals to delta TB by Kb is equals to delta TB is equals to TB minus TB naught divided by Kb, and delta TB is equals to Kb into molality of solution Wb by Mb into 1000 by weight of solvent in gram. And molecular weight of solute is equals to molecular weight of solute MB KB into WB into 1000 divided by delta TB into weight of solvent. Weight of solvent. Unit of KB. Unit of KB is equals to Kelvin kilogram per mole, because KB unit of KB and KB is equals to delta TB by molality. Delta TB, it means elevation in boiling point, and boiling point is measured in terms of Kelvin, and molality mole per kg, that is Kelvin kilogram per mole. Kelvin kilogram per mole. Thank you. Hello students. Today we will discuss colligative properties. Colligative properties. Properties which depends only on the number of solute particles, irrespective of their nature. There are four colligative properties. First, RLVP, relative lowering of vapor pressure. Second, elevation in boiling point. Elevation in boiling point. Third, depression in freezing point. And fourth, osmotic pressure. First, relative lowering of vapor pressure. Lowering of vapor pressure. First of all, we discuss lowering of vapor pressure. If we have pure solvent and solution, vapor pressure of pure solvent is denoted by P naught and vapor pressure of solution is denoted by P. And as we know that vapor pressure of pure solvent is greater than vapor pressure of solution, that is P naught greater than P. Vapor pressure of pure solvent is higher than that of vapor pressure of solution. Now, lowering of vapor pressure is the difference between them. Now, lowering of vapor pressure is equals to P naught minus P, and relative lowering of vapor pressure is equals to lowering of vapor pressure to the vapor pressure of pure solvent is known as relative lowering of vapor pressure. Now, Raoult's law for a solution containing non-volatile solute states that the relative lowering of vapor pressure is equal to the mole fraction of the non-volatile solute. So RLVP is equals to mole fraction of solute. Now, P naught minus P divided by P naught is equals to mole fraction of solute, mole fraction, number of moles of solute by number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent. For dilute solution, N1 is very less than N2. So, P naught minus P by P naught is equals to N1 by N2. P naught minus P divided by P naught is equals to N1 by N2. P naught minus P by P naught is equals to N1, number of moles of solute, given mass of solute by molar mass of solute divided by number of moles of solvent is equals to given mass of solvent by molar mass of solvent. Now it is P naught minus P by P naught is equals to WB by MB WA by number of moles of solvent, WA by MA. Now P naught minus P by P naught is equals to WB by MB into MA by molar mass of solvent by given weight of solvent, WB by MB into MA by WA. Now multiplying by 1000 and also dividing by 1000, P naught minus P by P naught is equals to WB by MB, given mass absolute by molar mass absolute, into 1000 by weight of solvent in gram, that is called molality of solution. So M into molecular weight of solvent by 1000. So P naught minus P by P naught, that is called RLVP, and RLVP, relative lowering of vapor pressure, is equals to molality into molecular weight of solvent by 1000, and molality is equals to RLVP into 1000 divided by molecular weight of solvent. Question for practice. The vapor pressure of water is 12.3 kilopascal at 300 Kelvin. Calculate the at 300 Kelvin. Calculate the vapor pressure of 1 molar solution of a non-volatile solute, in it. Next, question number 2. Calculate the mass of non-volatile solute molar mass 40 gram per mole which should be dissolved in 114 gram octane to reduce its vapor pressure to 80%.